so bloody difficult to remember? I'm rolling over in my grave. When your gloved hands get contaminated with bodily secretions, you still must perform hand hygiene. This patient's safety and your own is at stake. It is extremely important to clean your hands before any contact with vulnerable body sites, such as wounds, invasive devices, or equipment used in sterile procedures. And, of course, after bodily fluid exposure risk, these rules save lives. And that I know for sure. There are 5 moments for hand hygiene. I call them 2 B's and 3 A's. Clean your hands before touching the patient, and again before any clean or aseptic task. Then you should clean after bodily fluid exposure risk, after touching the patient, and after being in the patient's environment. Now, repeat after me. 2 B's and 3 A's. Oliver! Oliver! Oh, very nice hand hygiene, dear.
Thank you.